This exercises that I am going to tell you is called a Kegel's exercise. This Kegel is the name of the person who described these exercises. These exercises, when you do, nobody will know that you are doing the exercises. What does this exercise do? This exercise strengthens your muscles around the vagina and the anus, your birth passage. Okay. Those muscles, if they are weak, what happens when you sneeze, cough or laugh, you start leaking urine. This is called stress incontinence. This happens during pregnancy and post delivery. To prevent that, this exercise should be done. This should be done like as if this can be done actually in the sitting posture, standing posture and lying down. Okay, what you have to do? You have to do as if you are trying to control urination. Supposing you feel like passing urine, due to some reason you are not able to pass. What you will do? You will hold those muscles tightly. Like that you have to hold your muscles tightly and then count it. That has to be say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then leave it loose. You have to hold your urine. Try to prevent urination. Okay. If you don't understand that, what you can do, lie down like this. When you lie down, keep a pillow in between your knees and then tries to press on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then relax. Again press. Keep it for some time. Then relax. Press. Keep it like this for some time. Then relax. You can do this even when you are sitting in a chair. This exercise you can do as many times as possible. This is very important post delivery. We saw warming up exercises in the standing posture, sitting posture, lying down posture. We saw stretching exercises in the standing posture, sitting posture and lying down. And we saw exercises with instruments. Now, the third most important exercise is this aerobics. Aerobics, the movement should be a little faster. You will have a little heavy breathing. During pregnancy, you do low impact aerobics. Aerobics is nothing but just dancing to some music. You switch on some music. The song you choose, it can depend upon your capacity to dance. Okay. Whichever way you want. You lift up your leg. Okay. Bend forward. Then cooling down exercises. Just as I said before, you don't put a brake when the car is going at 4th gear. Okay, you slow down. So once after doing the aerobics, you will be breathing heavily, you will be sweating. Okay, don't go to rest immediately. Okay, after that also you do a little walking. Okay, on the spot walking. Then little this warm up exercises, whatever you do them at a very slow space. Okay, when you are finishing the exercises. Okay, do this. After the cooling down exercises, you either lie down or sit like this comfortably for 5 minutes. Let your heartbeat come down to normal. Let your breathing come down to normal. Then resume your activities, whatever it may be. Okay. If you don't take that 5 minutes rest, you will feel tired. The exercise effect will continue. So just take rest for 5 minutes. After that, drink something and then resume your activities. After delivery, you have to do exercises for your abdomen and back. You have to do all the exercises that we have taught you during pregnancy. If you concentrate on the weight bearing exercises, you will reduce weight to your previous pre-pregnant level. Instead of these weights, you can hold your baby, lift up the baby up and down. That itself is a weight bearing. Baby will weigh around 3 kgs. Okay, that is again a good. You should see to it that the baby's head is supported well when you do that. The two main concerns after delivery is, one is the tummy. Many of the women have a tummy, they look pregnant again. Okay, they want to reduce their tummy. You should do exercises to reduce your tummy. And the other concern is back pain. Most of the women, if they have delivered normally or by cesarean, they will have back pain if they don't do exercise. Now I'll teach you exercises for your tummy. You should do these exercises after doing all your exercises that you do in the antenatal period. These two exercises are special for tummy reduction. This is not advised during pregnancy actually. Okay, lie down. Now you can lie down as long as you want in this posture. Okay, stretch your legs, lift up one leg. This you can go up to 90 degrees. Okay, alternatively. The number of times you do again depends upon your capacity. Start with low counts like 10, then keep increasing up to 30 or 40 also. Okay, so first you do with single leg, then with both legs together. When you lift your both legs together, it will be difficult. Initial period, somebody may have to support your legs, then keep it down. This will reduce your lower tummy. Okay, to reduce your upper tummy, what you should do, you should have your hand behind your head and then lift up your upper part of the body nicely. Again, look at the ceiling, don't bend your head. Okay, don't bend your head, lift up your shoulder. Okay, do this nicely, try to lift up. You do it again minimum 10 times, keep increasing as much as you can. This is for tummy reduction. There are so many other things. If you are a person who is very interested in getting back to original shape, you can do a lot of other tummy reduction exercises. Okay, this is the basic exercise that you have to do. Then to reduce back pain, what you should do, you should lie down with your face down like this, then use your hands like this, lift up the upper part of the body. Okay, this will strengthen your back muscles and buttocks muscles. Okay, this will reduce back pain a lot. Okay, then come down again, lift up, be in this position for some time, again come down. Okay, this, if it is a normal delivery, you can start doing within 15 days. If it is a cesarean section, you can start doing these exercises after 45 days. First, that is for the upper part of the back muscles. Now you can lift up your leg. When you lie down like this, you cannot lift your leg more than 10 to 15 degrees. Okay, this will strengthen the thigh muscles and the buttocks muscles. Okay, this again do it up to 10 times. If possible to do this, you can do. If not possible, that's fine. Okay, this is actually like Dhanurasana. Okay, your back muscles will nicely get stretched and all your back pain will go. These exercises you start doing 15 days after normal delivery and 45 days after cesarean section. Even if it is cesarean section, please remember these exercises can be done. It does not cause any harm to the sutures. Okay, do all the exercises first and then these two exercises extra after delivery. During pregnancy, before 3 months, you can sleep in any position you want. You can sleep with face down, face up, on your sides, any way you like. After 3 months of pregnancy, you should not lie down with your face down. After 5 months of pregnancy, you should not lie down on your back fully. If you lie down for 5 to 10 minutes, nothing will happen to your baby. You don't worry. Without your knowledge, if you sleep like that at night, again nothing will happen. You will always turn to your side this way or that way even when you are sleeping. After 5th month, what you should do, you should always lie down on your sides, either left or right. If you want to lie down on your back, you don't like to lie down on your left side or right side for a long time, which can be sometimes very difficult because your whole hand and the leg will become numb if you lie down for a long time that way. In which case what you should do, have a pillow, use it as a wedge, okay, use it as a wedge and then lie down, okay. If you lie down like this, you will have the satisfaction of lying down on your back. At the same time, the bad effects of lying down fully on your back will not be there. And in the later months of pregnancy, sometimes you will not be able to approximate your legs fully. In those situations, what you should do, keep a pillow in between your legs and then sleep. And when your tummy is falling too much, in that case, you can use a pillow to support your tummy. Use as many pillows as you want. When there is swelling of the legs, use a pillow for your legs, keep your legs elevated. And while lying down, you can turn as such. You don't have to get up and then turn. Okay, you can lie down slowly and then turn to your sides, opposite side in the same way. You don't have to get up and lie down. In the later months of pregnancy, because your tummy is very big, you will feel breathless. You will not be able to lie down flat completely like that. So in that case, use 4 or 5 pillows like this, make a reclining position and then lie down like this with your upper part of the body. This may give you a little comfort, okay. You may not have so much of breathlessness. And again, if the leg is swollen, you elevate the leg end also and use a pillow here, use a pillow for between your legs. So let us make India a healthy nation. Let the babies start with a good exercise feeling and let them continue post delivery also. I wish you all a safe delivery and a happy motherhood.